right click the start button. That's right, right click, not left click. Or you can tap and hold if you have a touchscreen, and then select Device Manager. Great. Now you will see a list of devices on your PC. Go to where it says Display Adapters and click the arrow next to it, and now you will see the device that communicates with your display. You may see one device or you may see two. It varies depending on your situation. Regardless, you need to update each of those devices. To do so, simply right click or tap and hold if you have a touchscreen, and then select Update Driver. And now you should see two options. It is best to first choose the one that says Search automatically for drivers, because with this option, Windows is automatically gonna search for the appropriate drivers for your display, and this will likely fix your problem. And once this is completed, go ahead and try to change the brightness to see if it's working. But wait, you may come across this problem which tells you that the latest drivers are already installed. Well, this brings us to method number 2, which is to select the drivers on your own. To do that, simply go back and now choose the second option. And this option, as you can see, lets you choose from a list of available drivers on your PC. So choose that option and then go to the next screen. And now under where it says model, you can choose which driver you want to use. Ideally, you should try to use the one that fits your computer, like Intel HD, AMD, and so on. But if they don't work, choose Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. After choosing a driver, click Next, and then Windows 10 is going to install that driver for you. Once it is done, go ahead and try to adjust your screen brightness to see if it is working. The third way to fix this issue is to install the drivers via Windows Update. To do that, simply click the Start button and then type Updates. From the search results, select Check for Updates. There you go, and then from there you can check for the latest updates. Now these updates are more general and they're for your whole system, but if they are outdated drivers, Windows will likely update them. So after doing this, go ahead, restart your PC and check the brightness to see if it is working right now. Alright, the fourth way of fixing this is by downloading the drivers from the manufacturer's website. Now this method is more specific and it tackles the problem head on. Okay, to make this a little easier to understand, remember this? Yes, this screen right here from the device manager, where you could see the devices that control your display. To fix this issue, you need to go to the website of the manufacturer of these devices. But of course, my goal is to save you time. So as such, what I'm going to do is provide you links from the manufacturer's website. And those links will take you to tools from those websites that would automatically detect which driver is best for your display. This is great because the driver you are getting is from the manufacturer and is the latest design specifically for your computer. This is why it's a great way to tackle the problem head on.